like to call it my secret weapon. That's right, when it comes to leaning out, this is one of my go-to strategies. It's so easy and so many people know this, but why are you not doing it? What I'm talking about is putting apple cider vinegar with lemon water together and making sure you are receiving the health benefits, and not to mention supporting your weight loss. This is the problem. Most people are not dedicated because they don't take the time to prep, and they go throughout their entire day and miss the opportunity to do something so simple and receive the amazing health benefits of lemon and apple cider vinegar together. So first, when you wake up in the morning, when you go for your water, you go for your coffee or your morning routine, the first thing you need to do is cut the lemons, put the apple cider vinegar in place in a position to where you're going to see it when you go to drink your water. And then you're gonna have to dedicate yourself to taking the extra second to squeeze the lemon, put the apple cider vinegar in. Now for the recipe part, or whatever you want to call it. This is what I do. Doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. If you make any kind of adjustments, check with your trusted sources first, your doctor, your nutritionist, etc. First thing I do is I do 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with a quarter lemon in about 16 ounces of water, and I drink this before I drink my coffee. First thing in the morning. So you're gonna do the same exact thing right before bed. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a quarter lemon, 16 ounces of water. You want to do this about an hour before bed. That's what I do. And then throughout the day, I take a quarter of lemon and I put it in every water that I drink. This has helped me to lean out that much more and take my fitness and my health game to the next level. So a simple video with a simple method, with a simple recipe that will only work if you simply do it. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, share with a friend, comment in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts. And as always, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing today and hit that bell button so you can receive up-to-date notifications when these videos are posted. Thanks so much for viewing, and I'll see you for another video here real soon.